Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you guys so much for watching. So these are the Liberian Kool-aid and sour milk bags, or cold water bags as we said. These are currently being sold on my Etsy website, but right now they're on Etsy. You can go ahead and shop these bags. Two different kinds, but they're similar. So one is from Liberia and one is from Ghana. That's why they have different name or company name on it, but they're the same bags. And let me show you guys what they look like. These are very thick. You can see it's very thick, and they usually separate here in the middle. Why is this one not working? Okay, there we go. And then this is where you open it from, and then you put your stuff in it. So yeah, make sure you put in your order. They're going pretty fast, as you can see. I still have a few left, and if you guys have any questions, leave comments below, and then I'll put the link in the description box. All right, support your girl small business going on here. I do have something exciting coming up. We have some new products coming up. This will be my boutique, and these will be clothing and accessories items. So I will have a separate video for that, and I'm going to introduce you guys to my brand. And so anyway, this is just for the bags for now. Put in your order. I'll ship this out as soon as possible. And thank you guys so much for the support. I will see you guys in my next video.